something else you mention often, which is relationship cultivation. If you're not careful, it sounds like a headline somewhere. Relationship cultivation. What does that mean here? Because relationships are very important to us, and you're always talking about the importance of cultivating the relationship. Mm-hmm. I don't think we want it to be short-term.
We don't.
Right?
And in cultivating relationships here, to me, it's funny because so much of what we do here, when you think about it, certainly we're building those relationships externally.
Yeah.
And we want our clients to value the relationship enough where they would be willing to recommend us or refer us to that. But even talking about it internally, building the relationships here internally. And then, so I'm going to go back to this whole concept of our floor.
Yeah.
And, the idea that it's such a great way to build camaraderie and chemistry and, again, collaboration.
Yeah.
And
transparency,
accountability.
Yeah.
There's so many things that come with that. But you really, kind of, again, taking away the walls and taking away the doors allows for that sort of relationship cultivation to even happen internally.
Well, you were saying it earlier, and I when you mentioned that to me the other day, I thought it was so great because we were talking about relationship cultivation, and you said, well, it's external, but it's internal as well.
Sure.
Because if you don't cultivate the relationships internally, it's not going to translate.
Well, go back to what you were saying about our bankers who, the expectation is for them to go out there and be able to know what it is that we do.
Yeah.
And collective we. It's not just about their one vertical. It's about what we as an organization do. As a firm,
right.
What we do.
Yeah.
So you have to, the way to do that is to, again, that's by building the relationships internally and really getting to know what others are doing and how we can figure out how we can help one another to help the client.